Hello friends, welcome back to Miya's Spice World. Today we will be making special Paneer Fried Rice. It's an easy and a perfect lunchbox or a party recipe. You can even make this with leftover rice. Do follow every step to get that perfect taste as in a restaurant. If you are new to our channel, please do subscribe and also hit the bell button for latest notifications. Do watch this video till the end. So, let's get started with the recipe. For making paneer fried rice, we first need to marinate the paneer pieces. For that, in a bowl, take 200 grams of paneer cut into small cubes. To this, add 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, salt to taste, 2 teaspoons of corn flour, and 3 to 4 teaspoons of water. Gently mix them well and ensure that the masala is well coated on the paneer pieces. Set aside for at least 15 minutes. Heat 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil in a pan and add paneer pieces. Shallow fry the paneer pieces in medium flame until they turn golden brown. Gently flip the paneer pieces and continue to fry them on all sides. Remove from flame and keep them aside. In the same pan, add 1 tablespoon of finely chopped garlic, 2 slit green chilies and give it a quick stir. Then add 2 medium-sized finely chopped onions and some spring onions white and mix them well. For the entire process, the flame should be kept in high, otherwise they would turn soggy. Now it's time to add the veggies. Here I have taken 8 to 10 beans and 2 medium-sized carrots. The veggies should be finely chopped. On a high flame, stir the veggies until they are half done. At this stage, add 1 small finely chopped capsicum and continue to stir them well until all the veggies are just done. Do not overcook them as the veggies may lose their texture. Add salt to taste, half teaspoon pepper powder and mix them well. Here I have taken 2 cups of basmati rice which I have already cooked and cooled. I would always recommend to use dry or leftover basmati rice for this recipe. Keeping the flame in medium, slowly add the cooled rice into the veggies. Now increase the flame and mix them gently until the veggies and the rice is well combined. If you plan to use freshly cooked rice, ensure to make it moisture free by drying it out in a plate. Now add in the roasted paneer and mix well. At this stage, check for salt and if needed, add them accordingly. Finally, add some spring onions and toss them well. Our spicy, mouth-watering paneer fried rice is ready to be served. Enjoy it with raita of your choice. Do try this recipe and give your feedback. This will keep us motivated to bring more such videos. Also, like this video and share with your friends. Meet you soon with another interesting recipe. Until then, keep smiling and stay safe.